Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, 23rd July 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of June 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 2.91. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 13.7% since we first designated SoundHound AI as a buy candidate 17 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.81% per day since its initial classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued growth within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20.17% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 0.85% to an increase of 33.04%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 29.62%. Based on these calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of 4.18% to an increase of 195.68% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $11.69 and $36.07. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline: "A very strong day for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price on Wednesday." The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price gains 7.58% on the last trading day, Wednesday, 23rd July 2025, rising from $11.34 to $12.20. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.14% from a day low at $11.42 to a day high of $12.23. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -5.43% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and in total, 6 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 35 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $430.84 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $24.98, and the lowest price was $3.94. Currently, the price is 51.16% or $12.78 below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the symbol SOUN, has recently announced it will report its second quarter financial results on the 7th of August, 2025, after market close, followed by a conference call with the CEO and CFO. This upcoming earnings report could significantly impact investor sentiment and stock price, especially since the company has experienced considerable volatility this year, with a staggering 35% decline following a remarkable 835% increase in 2024. On the 21st of July, SOUN's stock notably dropped by 8.67%, even as broader market indices posted gains. This divergence can raise red flags for potential investors, indicating that the stock might be reacting to underlying concerns about its financial performance or competitive positioning, particularly against voice tech rivals like Twilio. Analysts predict that SOUN could see a resurgence in the second half of 2025 as it capitalizes on its early mover advantage in the AI voice tech space. Despite facing a 46% drop in the first half of 2025, some experts remain cautiously optimistic about the company's long-term growth potential, given the increasing adoption of AI technologies across various industries. The upcoming earnings report is critical. Strong results could reverse recent downtrends and attract new investment, enhancing medium to long-term stock performance. Conversely, disappointing results may exacerbate existing volatility and lead to further declines. As SoundHound AI Technologies remains dynamic, SoUN's financial disclosures will provide keen insights for market participants. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral grade accompanied by a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade in conjunction with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was noted that H.C. Wainwright also assigned SOUN a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush awarded SOUN an outperform grade together with a hold action. Analysts have given SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They have assessed the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels approaching $11.97 and $10.69. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, signifying a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been observed, which could impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 9th of July 2025, with the stock experiencing a decline of 5.43% thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also gives a buy signal from 16 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.12 and $11.01. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support zone. In this case, SoundHound AI Incorporated has support just below today's level at $11.12. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.01 and $9.47. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 82 cents between its high and low, which represents a 7.14% change. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 8.5%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and increase the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates indicate a loss of 6 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $12.29. If you don't own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $11.12. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI, according to various analyst sources, is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Michael Zagorczak, who bought and sold 193,573 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 43.174. Overall, insiders purchased 2,620,990 shares and sold 6,925,147 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.59, representing a decline of 4.97%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 10 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of July, we expect SoundHound AI to open lower by approximately 252 hundredths and start trading at $11.95. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of this stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.